So this bunch of boxes is me unboxing a Teng Tools racking system and storage system for my garage. So I have a Teng Tools nut and I have a half disassembled split screen Volkswagen being worked on at the moment, getting the engine getting the engine changed out. So I'm gonna get my new garage ready. Got my box there and my sign, so I'm hopefully going to put a corner unit in the middle, a piece to the side of it just there, the box in the middle, and another unit just there. So it should actually fit just snug right in the center of that. So I started on the corner unit, so that's going in first into the corner. So I've just got the two uprights and the two end pieces just to get things squared up. So I'm sort of at two minds whether to put these upside down in the middle because they might hold things better. I'm not sure. Let's see. So I managed to get the next part in. I'll have to modify the cupboard. So you notice one of the drawers is a little bit longer now because I had to push it over. But 5mm, 10mm, pain in the ass. One more piece. Right, last piece, last few pieces to go in, and then we're pretty much done. Now the last bit is my best little man here. Let's put the finishing touches to it. Off you go, Jack. There we have it.